What opens up a new horizon? What makes us move? What makes us continue to challenge? What makes new records? What makes your heart beat?
Feel the challenge.
Sweat with its record. Earnestness with its possibility. Challenge with cheers. And passion in its various forms. Change the world. What opens up a new horizon? Passion. Connected.